Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening SAP GUI and going straight to SM36. This is the only way to create a background job. Enter a concise job name, then add a step. Choose the program and the variant you need. Make sure to pick the correct target application server so runtime matches data locality. Use a background user with needed authorizations. Once done, set priority and spool handling. This sequence reduces trial and error, so start here and don't skip creating the step-first structure. Once the job skeleton exists, configure the start condition and why it matters. Immediate for one-off runs, date/time for planned windows, periodic for repeats, or event-based to tie into process triggers. Make sure to set recurrence rules and job class so system load is predictable. Configure spool retention and email alerts to capture output. If steps must run in sequence, chain them or create dependencies. These choices determine reliability and load, so make them deliberately. After scheduling, monitor the job in SM37 to confirm success. Check status, runtime, and the job log for messages. If something fails, inspect the variant and parameters, validate the background user's authorizations, and confirm the target host is available. Once fixed, adjust schedule or re-release the job. Make sure to delete or disable obsolete jobs to avoid clutter. Troubleshooting tip: if jobs abort with permission or RFC errors, test the background user with the same program interactively to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.